Is your washing machine not smelling as fresh as it used to? Let me show you a quick, easy solution. This washing machine cleaner is designed to deep clean, deodorize, and refresh. All you have to do is drop one of these tablets into your washing machine. Start the water and let it do the work. It's really that simple. Watch as I toss it into the water running. Cleaner goes to work instantly, breaking down grime, odors, and oil stains. Just like that, my washing machine is sparkling clean again. No more musty smells or residue. It's a quick, hassle-free way to keep your washing machine in top condition. Try it out for yourself.
So these things are amazing, let me tell you. Bought these a couple months ago, and they work. They just simply work. Before, I would get this mold and mildew all in this seal right here, all up and down this area right here. And literally, after the first time I used it, boom, gone. Here's another quick little tip here. Never knew what this tub clean feature was on this LG washer. That's basically to use with these tablets. So you throw one of these in there, it's about like 25, 30-minute cycle. Boom, done, clean, no more mold, mildew. You're welcome.
So I'm wanting to do a Amazon review. So I have a loader, like a top loader, don't know what you call this. It has a detachable, but as you can see, it's pretty nasty. The other day I took it apart and it was just grime everywhere on the outside. So love the packaging, and this is a real, like, they wrote this. This is not a printed, this is written, and I love that. That makes it feel very personable. So they send you all of these instructions on the back, very easy to read. Gives you cautions, and I love that they give you options, like if you're not happy, we can fix it. Ingredients, then tips. I think that's just fantastic. So this is my before.
I love these washer tablets. I just used one yesterday. They've been very good so far. I think I've used two. And I like that you can cross out what you've used and write the date on it and keep up with using it 2 times a month. Love the packaging too.
No smell, no nothing. Just perfectly clean. Looks great, especially for an old washer. Highly, highly recommend. And the other proponent says, something that you don't get from any other business, unless it is a small business. Thank you so much. Greatly recommend, and we'll be using again.
Hello and good evening to everybody. I'm just doing a review on the washing machine cleaner that I just got off of Amazon. It's a 1-year supply. It's 24 of these tablets. You just use one for any time that you're going to clean out a washing machine. And once you do that, if you don't like how clean it is, you just reuse them again. And this is probably my first time trying this out and just wishing it luck. I already put one of these tablets in here, and as you can see, it's been going on for about 8 minutes or so. As you can see, it bubbles up like this. Just one of these little baby tablets just bubbles up like this, and then it cleans the washing. You just put it in like you would any normal load, and you use hot water. So let it run all the way through, cycle through. If you like how clean it is, go with it. And then put your next load. Just remember to wipe it all out once it finishes with a rag or anything. And you should have your product looking brand new. Alright, and I'll get back with you on the result of everything that's going on in this video. And hopefully you try it out too.
So I ordered this from Amazon and it was delivered yesterday, and I actually chose this over a more well-known brand because of the reviews, and it's already a 1-year supply. So it's a washing machine cleaner. If you would like to clean it, like really deep clean it, and to get rid of some funny smell in your washing machine. So let me tell you guys what I love about this without me even using it yet, okay? So it is 24 tablets, and you want to do it 2 times in a month. That's why, it's good for 1 year. And it actually came with a personalized letter. Well, not really personalized, like it, of course, did not have my name, but it is really a handwritten letter from the owner of the business, and it says, and it's really handwritten. Thanks for giving our small family-run business a shot. Your orders and reviews matter more than you can imagine. Sincerely, Jess. Jess, I will definitely go ahead and give you a good review on your product. I actually use it already. And when once I'm done, I checked it, and yeah, it actually smelled a lot better now. The funny smell already went away, and it looked a lot cleaner inside. So yes, there you go. I'm gonna give you a 5-star review on Amazon, Jess. Good luck to your business. More power to you guys. Thank you for this awesome product.